Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese Danish at home. First, unroll one sheet of puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. Ensure it's thawed but still cold to maintain its flakiness. Next, using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, divide the pastry into 9 equal squares, each measuring about 3.5 inches. This creates the perfect base for your delicious Danishes. Keep the squares chilled while you prepare the filling. Now, let's create that irresistible sweet cheese filling. In a medium bowl, combine 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Beat these ingredients together with an electric mixer or whisk until the mixture is perfectly smooth and creamy, with no lumps remaining. This ensures a delightful texture in every bite. It's time to assemble our Danishes. Take your chilled pastry squares and place about 1 tablespoon of the creamy cheese filling directly in the center of each one. Next, carefully fold 2 opposite corners of each square towards the center, overlapping them slightly to secure the filling. Gently press down where the corners meet. Arrange the Danishes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Once your cheese Danishes are out of the oven and have cooled slightly, it's time for the finishing touch, a simple glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for an extra layer of flavor. Drizzle this sweet glaze over each Danish. They are best enjoyed warm, but also delicious at room temperature. For an effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.